My name is Ritika Singh and I am here to present before you all the major project, that is Metaspace Network, along with Piyush Kumar Singh and Tushar Agrawal. Metaspace Network is a social networking site for a particular organization. Its objective are, as it is a social networking service, which is an online service platform or site that focuses on facilitating the building of social networks or social relations among people. For example, share interests, activities, backgrounds, or real life connections. A social network service consists of a representation of each user, often a profile, his/her social links, and a variety of additional services. Most social network services are web-based and provide means for user to interact over the internet, such as email and instant messaging. Service usually means an individual-centered service, whereas online community services are group-centered. Social networking sites allow users to share ideas, activities, events, and interests within their individual networks. The purpose of this software is, this system provides user to register their various types of profile like social, personal, general, and professional. This system provides user to send a scrap message, images, and data files to their friends. User can maintain the scrapbook, whatever scraps he has sent to users. The system provides user to upload the photos so that user can maintain own album. This system provides user to join the communities according to their scenario. This system provides the user to maintain their friend list and user can update their friend list. This system provides user to send invitation to another friend and can add to their friend list for future. The system environment, which is the main part on which we made the websites or software. Hardware configuration is Pentium 3 or higher, RAM 128 MB, hard disk 20 GB, and modem 56 kbps. Software configuration, it can run on any operating system, Windows XP, Vista 7, 8. The web server which I have used, that is Apache. Front end HTML and CSS. Scripts, JavaScripts. In Java language it has been made, and I have used MySQL as the backend as a database for this website. Development tools are Eclipse, JDK 7, and MySQL. Eclipse is an environment on which it allows the JavaScript pages to run. Here is the various Java server pages like change password, check similar string, department, edit profile, header, home, JSP. These are the various JSP pages. Now we will run on a server, that is Apache Tomcat. Here is the home page of the website, that is Metaspace. We can run it on various servers too, like Google Chrome. Here is the login page of Metaspace Network. As I said, it is made for a particular organization and I have taken by default as a MetaCube and MetaGurukul. If user have to log in by the email ID using metacube.com. If he didn't use @metacube.com or @metagurukul.com, then he can never be able to log in this website because he is not the member of that organization. amit.jain@metacube.com. Now we submit it. Here is the profile of Happy Modi. It is the home page. Happy can update his status like hello, update. Now Happy Modi had updated his status. He have the authority. He can like his status. He can delete his status. He has updated his status here. It is the home page. Now he can send message to any of the members of Meta Gurukul. Send to Amit Jain. Message body. Hello. Send. Here message sent successfully. Here are the various settings that he can edit his profile, he can change his password, and he can sign out from here. He can comment also. It also shows the time, how much time before or after he had commented. Now as I said, he can delete his comment as he is the admin of this ID. Here the comment is deleted and he had updated his status before 2 minutes ago. Now he can change his password. Old password happy@1234. Now his new password is happy@123. His password has been updated, which we can see from the database. Earlier his password was happy@1234. Now his password is happy.modi@metagurukul.com and his password is happy@123. He can invite a friend by entering email address of that friend, like invite. Now invitation has been sent to Amit.Jain. The user, as Amit Jain is added in him, the user is already registered. This message has been displayed. Members, he can make different members Various groups can be made as name as members, department and project, and it also shows from which department he belongs, he or she, that member. Department, accounts, HRM, these are the various departments, and it also shows the number of members who are present in that department and who are added in his profile. Project, these are the various projects in which, and it also shows the number of members too. Now we will sign out and we will check that the message sent by Happy Modi has been received by Amit or not. Here is the profile of Amit Jain. Now we'll check that he had received that message or not. Send message, view send message and view received message. He had received message from Happy Modi, that is hello. Before 4 minutes ago, Happy Modi had been sent to Amit Jain. Sign out. We have used database as MySQL as a database. Our database name is social network, and these are the various tables like comment, like post, received message, send message, user department, user photo, user profile, user projects, in which user ID is a primary key. And here we are seeing select star from user profile, and these are the various attributes of user profile. So this is all about this project. Thank you.